Join me as I try to set up my very own personal weather station with a wireless outdoor sensor and an HD display. Let's see if I can make it work. Having a personal weather station is a game changer for anyone who loves spending time outdoors or simply wants to stay ahead of the weather. Imagine being able to get accurate, real-time weather data right at home. No more relying on general forecasts that don't quite match your neighborhood's conditions. Relying on general weather apps can be frustrating. They often provide forecasts that are too broad, not accurately reflecting the conditions in your specific area. This can lead to unexpected weather surprises, ruining your plans. For instance, you might get caught in a sudden downpour because the forecast didn't account for a local storm. Moreover, these apps usually don't provide detailed information about humidity, wind speed, or UV levels, which are crucial for planning outdoor activities. The limitations of general forecasts become even more apparent when you're planning specific activities. For example, if you're a gardener, knowing the exact temperature and humidity levels can help you decide the best time to water your plants. Similarly, if you're a runner or cyclist, being aware of the wind speed and direction can help you plan your route more efficiently. Moreover, general forecasts often lack the precision needed for daily planning. They might predict a high chance of rain, but not specify when exactly the rain will occur. This lack of specificity can make it difficult to plan your day effectively. My personal weather station comes with a wireless outdoor sensor and an HD display, making it easy to get accurate readings in real time. The sensor monitors temperature, humidity, wind speed, and more, providing a comprehensive view of the weather conditions. The HD display is clear and easy to read, even from a distance. The wireless outdoor sensor is remarkably easy to set up. Simply place it outside, and it will start transmitting data to the display unit indoors. The best part is that it provides real-time updates, so you can see the changes in weather conditions as they happen. One of the standout features of this weather station is its ability to track changes in weather conditions accurately. For instance, it can detect when the temperature is about to drop or when the wind is picking up. This feature has been incredibly useful for planning my daily activities. The accuracy of this weather station has been impressive. I've compared its readings with those from my phone's weather app, and there's a noticeable difference. The personal weather station provides a much more detailed and accurate picture of the local weather. In conclusion, having a personal weather station has been a revelation. It enhances daily life and planning in ways I never thought possible. With accurate, real-time data at my fingertips, I can plan my activities more effectively and stay ahead of the weather. If you've had any interesting experiences with weather, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and